Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. We have our first video of 2021 and our Accordion Love monthly challenge for the month of January. The Accordion Love challenge for the month of January is for you to come up with 2 ear training exercises. Post 2 ear training exercises. My idea is that if we have enough people, usually about 20 to 30 people submit a monthly challenge. Thank you. If 20 to 30 people submit 2 exercises each, you'll have a repertoire, a series of exercises, 60 challenges for your ear training exercises. Now, ear training exercises, I have a big blog post and a video that I'll link in the video description. It's a fundamental way of learning your instrument. It's one of those crucial exercises to train your ear and connect it to what comes out of your instrument. Really quick and ear training exercises is when I play an exercise twice, a short musical passage like this. I'm hiding it so you can't see. And you grab your instrument and you play back. That's really, really good for a lot of things in your body and your brain. So, that's what this month's challenge is. Now, how do we do a good ear training exercise? It's not just about choosing 3 to 6 random notes like... Sure, we could do that, but it's hard to remember what I did, and it's hard for the person doing the exercise to duplicate that. This isn't an exercise in tricking someone. It's an exercise in developing someone's ear. So here's some tips for a good ear training exercise. Tip number 1, it should be fairly short. Let's say 3 to 10 notes. So for example, it's a long one. Do, 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 do. 7 notes, fine. It should be in one key. So here's how I develop an ear training exercise. I choose a key, F. Let's say F major. I'll choose an F major. And I'll usually start off with one of those notes. I'm not trying to deviate too much from the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right? So... Sure, that's another exercise. Now, tip number 3, how do we remember what we played? When I choose that key, either I'm really listening, so I would play... Good. Do, 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 do. If you have a hard time remembering what you're playing, which is totally fine, get a little cell phone with a recorder on it and record yourself playing. And when you have a nice passage, play that back. And then to submit your challenge, record that line twice. So, again. Try for the 2 recordings to be very similar, or if you want, just cut that recording and paste it, if you feel fine doing audio editing, and then submit that. So those are some tips on getting clean, good ear training exercises. And again, there's so much benefit. What I can do is I've done about 15 ear training exercises for you, but I tend to go over the same pathways. Most of my ear training exercises sound similar. What I hope with this challenge is to get a bucket full of interesting musical ideas. And that's the idea with our monthly challenge, right? It's to get a musical concept or an idea into practice. It's to encourage you to pick up your instrument. And the hope is once we have, again, 50 or 60 of these challenges, incorporate them into your 15 minutes of practice that you do. The rules for entry, in order to post a musical challenge, in order to post these 2 exercises, you need to be a member of Accordion Love. That's the only requirement. anyone, whether you're an Accordion Love member or not, can look at these challenges. So anyone can do these musical exercises, which is nice. Only Accordion Love members can submit. And the incentive in submitting is, A, you're a part of a musical community. It's always nice to be a part of a group, especially with COVID still happening. And the other incentive is if you participate in 6 musical challenges over the course of a year, I'll send you an Accordion Love t-shirt. And if you participate in 12 challenges out of the 12 months of the year, there's some of you that are on track to do that, I'll send you a special prize at the end of the year. That's the January challenge. I hope you find it useful. I hope it works out. Otherwise, I'll just post 30 ear training exercises. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a happy new year.